Hi everyone, Miss Robinson here with my friends Mira Nexi for another episode of the Mira and Nexi STEAM series. We are so excited to have all of you scientists join us for another episode about water and the water cycle. Something super neat to understand about water is that it is non-living, or in science terms, we call it abiotic. Water has lots of living or biotic creatures and organisms within it, but the water itself is not living. Mira Nexi, can you think of any other examples of non-living things that you encounter outside? Mira came up with a few, like air, the sky, and dirt. And Nexi said the sun, the moon, and the cloud. Way to go, guys! All of these are abiotic factors that make up our planet. One thing that makes water so amazing is that it covers 75% of Earth. Y'all, that is so much. This could be salt water, like that found in the ocean, fog, mist, streams, rivers, and even glaciers of ice are made of water. Water comes in so many forms, which is so important in understanding the water cycle and the recycling of water. Water is needed for all living things. We can't survive without it. So let's talk about the water cycle and why it matters. Water has been recycling on this earth for 4 billion years. Wow. Nexi, can you believe that? This means the water we drink today is the water the dinosaurs also drank. Water moves between oceans and rivers, the atmosphere, and land as an ongoing cycle. It can take many forms, from liquid, like water itself, gas, like vapor or steam, or even solid, like ice. The water cycle is made up of 4 main parts: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and of course, how and where it collects. Mira and Nexi are going to help me explain each part. First is evaporation. The sun heats the earth. This increases the temperature of our rivers, oceans, and lakes. Once this happens, some of the water evaporates or disappears into the air. This turns into a gas or vapor like that of steam. It also causes plants to sweat or lose water into the atmosphere as well. When Nexi was looking at his garden, he saw water on the bottom of the leaves, almost like it's leaking. Next is condensation. Once the water vapor gets into the atmosphere or air, it goes all the way up to the sky, super high. Once in the sky, it cools down. It was hot from the sun, but once it's cooled, it goes into the clouds. Mira, have you ever looked up at the sky and seen clouds move? These clouds are building condensation or cooled water and move all over the earth, never sitting in one place. After condensation, you have precipitation. When too much water starts to fill the clouds from condensation, the water gets so heavy that the air can't hold it anymore. So it falls back to Earth as rain, snow, or even hail. These are all different forms of precipitation. Mira, have you ever played in the rain? I know I have. All forms of water are important because they keep our planet happy. When areas have droughts or not enough rain, animals, plants, and humans are all affected. The final step of the water cycle is collection. Once water falls back to the earth in all the different forms, it collects all over. Mira has seen water collect in rivers, ponds, lakes, and even build up as snow. This cycle is like recycling because it's a continuous process that never ends and it's always being reused. Well, Mira Nexi, what do you think of the water cycle? Why do you think water is important? After lots of research and time, they both found out some of the ways water matters. Here's a few. It cleans our water supply and purifies it. It is super important that we keep pollution out of the air so that water stays clean. It also keeps our aquatic animals happy, from fish to whales or seaweed to coral. All of these organisms rely on water for life. Finally, all living things need to drink or use water to keep their body balanced, happy, and hydrated. Wow, water is so important. So it's challenge time, scientists. I want all of you to create a list on how you can save, recycle, or even experiment with water. Water is essential for survival. So by helping conserve it, you are helping our planet, and performing experiments helps you understand all the forms water takes. So what can you do to make sure water is not wasted, or that it's being cleaned the right ways? I can't wait to see what you come up with. So, bye everybody. And remember, together we can make an impact bigger than us.